We are in for some fun action today. Welcome back to Saving Mamasita. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So excited to have you with me today. Today we've got a brand new box. When we have a brand new box, we are a little extra, we are a little hype, we are a little excited. More so than usual. This particular box, guys, is a beauty box that I hope you're gonna stick around for because we're about to have some fun unboxing and give them their first rating from Saving Mamasita. Look fantastic! It's called Look Fantastic Beauty Box, and I'm gonna unbox it here right now. But first, let's take a little look at LookFantastic's website, and we're gonna go over it real quick so you can get an idea of what it is all about. If you go to lookfantastic.com, you are gonna see the different options for their beauty boxes. Basically, you can treat yourself, treat somebody else. They offer free delivery worldwide, and you're going to get six luxury products from the very best beauty brands, starting at only $16 a month. That's right, $16 a month. When you look at the actual value of these products, they are saying you are going to get a value of over $60. And they're gonna offer some tips and tricks on how to use these products as well. Let's go ahead and unbox Look Fantastic. Opening up here, you can see, comes in this brown box. Says Look Fantastic Beauty Box and has a hashtag of LF Beauty Box. And then inside we've got the actual box. So we got a little sheet here called All Plants, little marketing piece. Here is the box. Look Fantastic Beauty Box. It comes in the seafoam green box. So let's lift off the lid. And here's what it looks like inside. So they've got the tissue paper and the cute little sticker, love that, with their logo all over it. Then you guys look at this. Hallelujah! Hallelujah! They have a brochure. Y'all know I am crazy about their marketing brochures. I love it when a company includes all of the products that they have inside the box with a description and a price. And the price can just be the retail value. I just want to see how much these items are going for and how much the value of the box really is versus what I'm paying. What's in your box? Here we go. It has all of the products in here along with, oh wow, they have some very accurate descriptions along with the ingredients and how to use the products. You have my heart already. Oh, look at. Got the shredded paper in there, along with their beautiful items. The item I'm picking out is a lavender tea body wash. This is a good size product. This is 100 mLs or 3.38 fluid ounces. Get the feeling of this calm, moisturizing body wash. Hydrate and nourish your skin. A bespoke blended fragrance of citrus, lavender, and tea extract to soothe your skin and relax your mind. A clear botanical experience to add to your bedtime ritual. I am always looking for a body wash, and I feel like the lavender is the way to go. Just because, especially in the evening when you're trying to unwind and you're trying to relax for the evening, lavender is the way to go. Let's take a smell of this. I'm curious. It says it has a little citrus hint to it. Taking off the little lid. Oh, it's purple. Look at that. Can you guys see that? It's like a purple. Ooh. It smells very lavendery. But yes, I can also smell like almost a hint of lime. Yeah, I can't wait to try that. Next, we have Skin Chemists. This is called Youth Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. Plump these lips up, huh? This particular, oh yeah, it's like a lip gloss. It comes in like a lip gloss type container. See, look at that. Skin Chemist London. It's called Rose Quartz. Now, you guys know I'm not a rose fan. I don't like the smell of roses. Call me crazy, but I don't really like the smell of it. Let's try it. It goes on pretty good. Very smooth, very glossy. Do my lips look bigger? Oh, it's kind of got a weird feeling to it. Almost like a medicated type smell and feeling to the lips. Evenly over lips as needed, may be used under lipstick or on its own. Peppermint oil and mica. That is why it feels like that. You guys ever heard of this before? The next item, we have a Blossom & Blossom Hands Up Age Defying Hand Cream. In here we have a shea butter as well as a Lang Lang. Massage into the hands as and when needed throughout the day. Paying particular attention to the backs of your hands. I love a good hand cream, especially in the wintertime because my hands and my skin in general gets very, very dry. So let's take a smell of this for one thing. Oh, it's already squirting out. Squirting out the top already. Can't really smell. So I'm gonna put it on that. Just a little sample type size. Put it on my hands here. Definitely has that Lang Lang. Lang Lang? It's not that thick, but I can feel it kind of work into my hands. I can definitely tell the moisturizing effects of it, but I'm not so sure that I like that scent too much. Next item, we have a Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Fall asleep faster naturally and wake up refreshed. So how this works, you spray a fine mist over your pillow for relaxing slumber. Okay. And not so surprisingly, it has lavender and chamomile in here. Let's spray this. Oh, I can see if you did rest your head down on this, it's very relaxing. 2 more items left, you guys, before we rate the box. We have the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Condition. This one says it's enriched with mineral osmoter, abyssinian oil, and calendula extract. Provides hair with a shiny and silky soft look, easy to manage and comb. Apply after conditioning. Apply after shampooing and rinse. So let's go ahead and smell this. It smells kind of good. Not sure I will use this, but we'll see. I have heard of this brand before and I have used some of their products and they are legit. This is called Polaar Nige Eternal Snow Youthful Promise Cream with Arctic Flowers. I don't know what this is, if this is a hand cream or what. This cream forms a protective anti-age barrier. The skin is hydrated and regains its firmness and elasticity. Fine lines and wrinkles disappear, leaving the skin radiant and looking youthful. It's not listed in here at all. I'm not seeing it. This must be a fun little bonus item or something like that. Oh yeah, it says there's a mystery product. So this must be the mystery product. I like that. It smells so clean. That concludes the unboxing of our very first LookFantastic box. Let's go ahead and do a quick review and then we will do our thing. Bonus item, we got this Rose Quartz Skin Chemist Lip Plump, Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, the Blossom and Blossom Hands Up Age Defying Hand Cream, the Ahava Mineral Conditioner. Finally, we've got the Lavender Tea Body Wash. 6 products, you guys, for $16. Go ahead. Let's go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. $16 for a beauty box is very, very affordable. If you are a type of person who loves trying new products, loves being introduced to new products, loves not having to pay a pretty penny for a beauty box, this could be one that you could probably get used to having. Say probably 1, 2, 3, 4 of the 6 items I will probably use for sure. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So put your thinking hats on. What are you gonna rate the box? Because I'm about to give mine right now. Drum roll, please. LookFantastic. You are getting your very first rating of a 7.5. I love the presentation of the box. I love the brochure. The only thing missing in this bad boy was you guys know, the values. The values were not included in here. As far as the variety of the items, legit, $16, you can't go wrong for that for a beauty box. Which product in this box would you guys be most interested in trying? Let me know down in the comment section down below. If you guys like the video, please hit that like, hit the subscribe button, notification